Rolling, live. Hey guys, how's it going? Ansel and Cody again. And today we have something very special for you guys. Tiffin GH1 2026. Beautiful, beautiful coach, guys. This one is outfitted with some bigger wheels and a couple few accessories we're going to go over. It does feature the 4-cylinder, twin-turbo, 2-liter Mercedes-Benz engine. So this is going to be diesel, guys. Go ahead and take a look at this guy. Super clean, very efficient. So a little bit better gas mileage. So again, you get another quick connect for the positive terminal and the negative if you needed a jump. We'll also go over some more stuff on the inside about that guy. But come on over here. Check out these guys, California Tune hood struts. Nice upgrade here. We're just gonna go over the exterior with you guys today. So firstly, you have this outdoor tabletop that can come down. You can adjust the height here if you're on a little bit of an incline. It's about a 20-pound weight limit. They put a 110 plug right on the side. So if you want to grab that cooktop that comes with it, that induction cooktop, go ahead and set it up here, plug it in. You're running off a lithium battery. So you go ahead and use that cooktop wherever you guys are at. Also, what they do is they have it really easy if you guys want to dump your freshwater tank, your cold water lines, and hot. So it makes winterizing and storage a breeze. Drops right down through the bottom. Like I was saying, we do have something special for you guys. So this angle here, you can see our cargo box. I'm just going to go around to the other side here. Cargo box with the rack. So this is just some of many accessories that you can get on these guys. This is adjustable, so you can raise it up higher or you can put it down lower. Also, full size spare with an owl ladder outfitted on the side here. It's all right, we can edit it. We can edit it. Come on to this side, Cody. Raw and cut. Keep the cameras rolling. Keep the cameras rolling. 30 amp power cord comes with this guy. Most common you'll see in most RV campsites. Go ahead and plug it in, charge your batteries, use whatever you need. This does come with a 5-gallon cassette toilet. Really simple. This guy comes out. Again, it's 5 gallons. You can wheel it around. Just like some luggage. Probably want to bring it to the airport though. Once that guy comes down, you open this up, there'll be a blue cap, and just go ahead and dump it. When you're done, close it, put it back inside. Also, if you wanted to clean it out, you can simply lift this lid here, hose it down, shake it around, and dump it again. And then this guy here is the stock ladder that comes with this guy. So mounted right here on the side in a fixed position. But come on, let's check on the inside. So interior. Let me fix this guy here, guys. Sorry about that. Just a little blooper. So 12-volt refrigerator comes with this guy. Go ahead and grab a beer from the outside. Don't have to go in. Extended countertop space. Induction cooktop hiding just beneath this guy. Nice solid latches, solid countertops. So if you come on inside here, what Tiffin did is they had their own bucket seats that could separate. Kids not getting along, long car ride, go ahead and separate them a little bit. Give them some space. Nice and comfy. Feel that cushion on there, wow. Firm and soft at the same time. So what Tiffin does with their energy management system, we'll keep it really brief today, guys. They use a Victron energy management and lithium batteries. This guy's basically a whole settings page that you can get to. It's basically going to be your battery life, your inverter on and off, AC input, and a whole bunch of stuff that we'll cover on another video in the future. Some light switches here. This guy here is going to be for your Euroloft bed lift. So this is just the up and down for it. Turn that guy over to the off position or the on. and go ahead and press the down button. And that's going to lower your platform bed. You also have this bar coming across here, so if you have accessories, you can actually hang them up as well. Raise this guy back up. They also use a Gree AC, guys. That is top of the line right now. Down beneath here, there's a cover. This guy is usually over it. Behind it, you're going to see two Battleborn 270 amp hour 12 volt batteries. It also comes equipped with a Victron Energy 3000 watt inverter. So guys, in other terms, you guys can be self-sufficient as you travel. Flip a switch, press a button, and you're running your AC and all of your electrics off those batteries. Macerated sink pump. Storage up top here. Storage on the side. Bathroom has 2 doors on it. So if you needed a little more space, you can open this guy up. Nice and spacious. They have a water miser on this guy as well, so you're being efficient with your water usage. Turn that guy over, circulates your water so it comes out hot instead of wasting that precious water that comes out while you're dry camping. You get a nice exhaust vent up top, guys. Very nice quality too. The video really doesn't do justice on the feel on these guys. Nice and solid, very good quality build. Left first, right after. Very strong hinges. Max air fan, good for when you're cooking or if it's a little hot in here and you want to get that hot humid air out. Press that button, turn it on. It's just going to help cool things down a bit. More storage up top. It also comes with the air compressor kit. GH1 user manual book. Also the chassis, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. All the features you get on a Mercedes chassis. Swivel seats, heated seats, all the accessories, guys. And you know, we're gonna finish the video off with this. Tiffin, great product. If you're in the market for a B van, this really truly does it all. Going down the unbeaten path, being self-sufficient, this is the one, guys. Thank you again, Ansel and Cody.